Weeks of public turmoil, a petition was filed today to remove District Attorney Yvonne Rosales. Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Andy Morgan.
And I'm Natasha Paloma. This, of course, coming after lots of controversy surrounding the DA's office, including hundreds of cases being dismissed and top attorneys leaving the office. KTSM 9 News reporter Shelby Kapp joins us from downtown El Paso with the details of that petition.
Well, Andy and Natasha, this is the petition that was filed here today at the downtown courthouse. Now, in this petition, it says that the cause of action for Rosales to be removed as the DA, number one is incompetency, and number two is official misconduct.
The big question is, are we safe? And the question you all need to ask yourselves, and every El Pasoan needs to ask, if it were my loved one that was a victim of a crime, okay, my child, my spouse, my parents, would you feel comfortable with this office handling that case? And I believe the answer is no. We're not safe, and we just don't have the confidence in her to continue as our DA.
Here you can see El Paso attorney Omar Carmona filing the petition this morning in downtown El Paso. The petition that was filed lists, quote, unlawful actions committed by Rosales, including a decline in criminal cases, stating that in 2021, Rosales closed over 2,000 cases compared to the prior district attorney who closed over 24,000 in 2020. In addition to a death penalty dismissal referring to the state of Texas versus Yvonne Rosales case, plus the mishandling of a murder case referencing the Walmart shooter case and the misuse of public funds. Now, other El Paso attorneys also coming to show their support of the petition being filed.
She is destroying this community. Nobody's getting justice. Victims aren't getting justice. Defendants aren't getting justice. Nobody's living the way this community should live. And now we've got the Walmart prosecution in danger, in jeopardy. This should have been brought up a long time ago.
Under the cause of action of incompetency, the petition says that her conduct demonstrates gross ignorance and carelessness of official duties. And under official misconduct, the petition states that her conduct exhibits an intentional and knowing violation of the law. Now, we did reach out to the district attorney's office requesting a response from Yvonne Rosales. However, we did not receive a response, but our partners at Telemundo did. Now, that response saying in part, quote, every attempt will be made to address the fight this petition. In a democracy, people vote for their elected officials. This is an assault on the electoral process in a manner designed to undermine our democracy. Now, we'll have more on her response coming up on KTSM 9 News at 6. Andy, back to you.
Shelby, and this petition is clearly moving forward, and we still haven't actually heard from the DA herself. So where do we kind of go from here? What happens next?
Yeah, well, the first thing on the request on this petition is that she be served with a citation as well as this petition, and then also that the court temporarily remove her and appoint someone else, and then it will be up to a jury to decide if Yvonne Rosales should be removed from her position.
Something to continue to keep an eye on. Shelby Kapp has been on this story since it broke this morning. She's reporting live from downtown. Shelby, thank you.